So when you're at Ferrari, apparently you only get the finest hand sanitizers. Purell 2X. Forget about the espresso machine, the leather couches, the leather upholstery, all that stuff. Just forget about that. What you need to know is double strength Purell. That's all you need when you're getting a Ferrari, guys. Seriously. Hey, does this make you feel some type of way right now, dude?
Yeah, exactly. Someone stole their airbag.
Someone stole my brother's airbag. So, are you okay? Can you look at that? Is that fine?
I forgot that you had to do sign the Carfax.
Mm-hmm.
And he's getting all your
So
copies.
on the Carfax, just okay. So this is pretty much the same as the other one, right?
It's the same one.
Okay. Do I sign here too?
Just up here. You know why they do it in California?
Why?
Just so people are aware if it was salvaged or wrecked or something.
But this car's never been in an accident or anything.
No, that's why we have you sign.
No body work, no accident, right?
It's not been an accident beyond here.
Okay. Just making sure because I'm pretty like I'm a car collector guy, so that's a pretty big deal to me.
Well, that's why we have them car. I'm saying other people.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, that's why we have. And this is for your privacy notice.
Okay.
That we don't sell your information. You keep all your information in house.
Do I need to put a date on this?
Yeah, you can put today's date. Oh, I didn't know you had the car for that long.
Yeah, the guy looks like he's owned it for quite some time.
Yeah.
Right?
No wonder he was so particular.
Yeah, that makes sense. Probably his baby at some point, you know?
Well, I just, wow. I find that surprising for him.
I know.
Okay, so that's all the paperwork. He's scanning it so you can get copies.
How you feeling, dude?
I'm a little nervous. First Ferrari, man. You know, being an avid collector is really important. Like, get the right color, right car. No accidents, no body work. I mean, obviously you saw the car and the salesman says it's in perfect condition. It looks in great condition. So family is excited. It's good to commemorate this day. You know, it's a big deal for me. You know, it took a long time to get a car like this. I'd be sweating right now, but we're inside a air-cooled Ferrari showroom office. I think that's where we're at right now, right? There's rims everywhere. I don't know where we're at anymore. I mean, take a look. Again, steering wheels. Do you feel okay? Every time I mention a steering wheel.
No, I'm getting triggered.
You're getting triggered? His, just to recap, his airbag was stolen. Was it yesterday morning?
Could have been.
Yeah, the car thieves took his airbag.
Hey, just in case I don't see you guys, I'm not gonna. Oh, I'm sorry.
No, it's okay, Ari. You can say it. This is Ari.
No, I just wanted to congratulate you.
Thank you, sir.
Very much. You're welcome. Try to keep it under 200.
About 199, 198, around there.
Try to keep it under 200.
Right when the F1 transmission gives out on the last shift.
Yeah, no. Don't say that. Pleasure, guys. See ya.
Thanks, man. Take care.
If you need anything.
No, absolutely. I will.
I'll see you for your next one.
No, you will, for sure. I'm gonna get my next car coming soon. I don't feel like a Ferrari owner, dude. I feel like more like I'm still a Honda guy, at heart. But I think it's because it hasn't set in, like getting this car. I don't own things like this. I have nice things, but I've never owned something like this before. This is a big deal for me. Wouldn't want anybody to think I'm like some loaded guy. This is like a lot of work, a lot of energy, a lot of effort to get this car. And, I don't think it's going to disappoint me. I mean, it's a Ferrari F430. How could it disappoint me? There's no way. I mean, when you saw it, was it disappointing to look at? I mean, like seriously, like now that you see the yellow Yeah, I know you want it red, but like you saw the yellow and you saw it up live and up close. Like it does look different, right?
No, it looks impeccable. I mean, the interior, everything.
Yeah, I can't wait to get it home, but it's gonna be a 2-hour ride to get it home. So I think like it's gonna be quite an exhausting trip.
Thank you so much. Okay, it was great meeting.
Oh, it was great dealing with you. It was a great time,
Yeah.
guys. We'll do it again,
And
I'm
we
sure.
have your email too. I'll get the
Yeah.
the PDF owner's manual.
Probably screw this up.
Now you will.